Hello, everybody, and welcome back to our latest episode of Real Talk, where we talk about real situations that can happen to real people that can sometimes be real uncomfortable. My name's Tom with Crandall and Associates Insurance Agency, and today we're going to talk about claim departments. As everybody knows, there is a labor shortage going on in the U.S. I think the last I read last week, it was 1.7 open jobs per person, something to that effect. Don't quote me on that. But of course, that is bleeding into just about every industry here in the U.S., and one of those is claims. We have been seeing a lot of issues with adjusters being overloaded with claims cases. People are having trouble getting in touch with their adjuster. They're having issues getting responses. Basically, you name it, it's probably an issue that we've had to deal with over the past year. And just some pointers that I kind of want to give to you is just to make sure to always try to be as patient and kind to those claims adjusters as possible. You know, the saying, you attract more bees with honey than vinegar, certainly extends into all aspects of life. But just having a clear and calm voice when talking to them, not getting too frustrated, can certainly help move the claim along a little faster. And always I would never recommend you say anything about, I'm going to get an attorney or any type of legal involved, because that really can make the adjuster shut down and you have to deal with a completely different person or department. So don't just throw those words around without any meaning, I would say, because there are certain situations where you will need to hire an attorney, but just be careful not to frivolously throw that around, because it can just make things go worse. And then of course too, definitely get your agent involved when you're not receiving responses or no one's contacting you, because your agent can certainly escalate it up to management, senior management. I've even had to go to directors before. They can also kind of guide you in the sense of, you know, maybe this is something you need to ask an attorney about, or firstly, you may also just want to try to go through the state insurance department. Just as an example, I had one of my clients that hadn't heard from their adjuster in 12 days from filing the claim, which is not acceptable, to be quite honest. But it is happening more and more often. So get your agent involved, have them help guide you on what steps to take from there, have them get in touch with the claims directors, because that's kind of thing is very important on responding to claims and making sure that the carrier gets in touch with the claimant. So just wanted to leave that sentiment with you guys. Try to be as patient as possible. I know it's never fun being in a claim when you have money that's coming out of your own pocket that you want to get reimbursed for, or you're trying to fix your home and you're not getting approval from the adjuster. You know, I know it's a very tedious process and can be very stressful. But again, that here is what your agent is for. Call them, have them get involved, and it can make the process go a lot smoother. So y'all take care out there, and we will see you next time.